South Korea's two biggest tech companies, Samsung Electronics and LG Electronics, have beaten market expectations, projecting record-high sales in the first quarter. For Samsung, that was in large part to its new smartphones, while LG seems to be riding on the strength of its premium home appliances. Eum Ji-young has the details.
Despite the global supply bottleneck and recent geopolitical risks, Samsung Electronics has logged its highest ever projected sales for the first quarter. The South Korean tech giant's earnings guidance released on Thursday showed projected sales from January to March amounted to a record $63 billion, up nearly 18% on-year. Samsung also announced a 50% on-year jump in projected operating profit at roughly $11 billion. That's the company's second best operating profit for any first quarter. Analysts say the earnings surprise was led by Samsung's new phone, the Galaxy S22 series. Also, despite the drop in the price of DRAM chips, an expert says projected earnings at Samsung's semiconductor business are relatively solid.
One of the most important factors that would impact earnings would be whether semiconductor prices recover. In the second quarter, DRAM prices are expected to be weak, so the earnings would turn out similar as this quarter. But as DRAM prices are forecast to rise after the third quarter, we can expect the earnings to go up in the second half of the year.
LG Electronics also posted an earnings far better than the market consensus. The company's guidance report says projected sales reached an all-time high for the first quarter of around $17 billion. Estimated operating profit for the period came to a record of about $1.5 billion, up over 6% on-year.
Despite concerns about inflation, LG's home appliances have brought in solid revenues, and the company's auto parts, which are in the spotlight right now, have turned into a profit-making business. So first quarter earnings for LG are good, in fact, qualitatively.
He added that LG is likely to do well in the near future too on the strength of its premium home appliances and TVs. And the auto parts business is expected to stay in the black in the coming months, which could have investors looking at LG Electronics in a new way. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.